And once again, here we are at a commercial building where we've got some bees going in right behind the trim board. They may be creating their hive right in one of those cinder blocks. Chris is getting ready, gearing up, ready to go up and find out. Chris is cutting through the last board to get to the hive so we can start transferring the hive to the box. It's set up and ready to go. And the bee vacuum is right here. We are ready to go. And we need to cut this last board. Alright, so now we've got the hive right there. And now we're going to start taking it out.
Alright, another a successful bee find. You see that? Look at that. So now I'm gonna have to cut some nails out of our way before we start. But I think, and this is the thing, I think it goes pretty deep back there. So hopefully we can get it. I mean, we should be able to get a lot of it. I'll take a little bit more out of this. And I can come over maybe another 3 inches. Should I do that? Yeah, I'm so. I'm thinking I'm gonna come over a little bit more. Well, my saws are okay. I'm gonna gotta be careful because we got electrical lines.
Yeah, please don't. So if you can hear me, we are finalizing the last vacuuming it all up. Then Chris is going to put it back together. We are vacuuming everything. We've got the hive situated. And once we clean it up, we'll put everything back. Here's the final product. We wrapped it up. We're about to take the hive and relocate it. Everything looks good. No bees on the outside. Looks like they have all found their new home.